Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you will be having a good day. Today I have brought you another video, and this video is regarding the window installation on Dell laptop. On my earlier videos, I have shown you how to install window on Dell and Lenovo laptops, and today I am going to show you how to install window on Dell laptop. So this installation will cover all the Dell Latitude models like 33, 20, 30, 21, 34, 20, 34, 21, 35, 20, and 35, 21. So this is very simple, very easy. Lenovo and HP laptops, their window installation process was a little bit difficult. It was not difficult, you can say, but the procedure has changed. Here you can see here in a few step I will show you how to install window on Dell Latitude 3520 laptop. You can see here I have this laptop, Dell Latitude 3520, and the bootable USB is plugged already. You can see here the bootable USB. So the first step, I will start my computer. The laptop is going to start. So before the Dell logo appear, so I will be clicking F12. You can see here this is F12. F12 has to be clicked continually, so it will enter me into the BIOS setting. You can see here I'm clicking continually, F12. You can see here now I have entered into the setting, the boot setting. You can see here too many things are there: BIOS setting, diagnostics, BIOS update even you can do from here, support assistance, OS recovery, BioFlash update, and device configuration you can see from this setup page. So I have installed, you can see here my USB. I have plugged this USB, and you can see these all the devices are showing over here. Okay, you can see here this devices, UFI SanDisk. This is the one that I have connected, UFI SanDisk Blade. Okay, so what I will do, I have to select the installation source, which is this one. So I selected my device. Now you can see the installation process will be very soon, it will be starting. Now you can see here this is the Windows setup. Okay, so you can select either language setting. Okay, so I will go next, install. So I have the license for Windows 10 Professional, so you can select either of the option. So I am going to select Windows 10 Professional. Next, then accept this, the license agreement, second option. So I have pre-installed Windows, so I will be removing this one by one, all the partitions. So all the partitions have been removed. Now next, now the installation copying window file started, so it will take almost 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, so you can see here so as you can see, window installation is about to finish. So PC is restarting. So getting ready. So most time it will take 4 or 5 minutes. Now finally the Windows screen is in front of us. So here you can see so I'm working in UAE, so I will select United Arab Emirates. Then the next question, it will be regarding the keyboard layout. So US I will select. You can skip it. So I'm not going to connect